In this lesson, we're going to work on a word problem and it involves decimals. So don't get intimidated by it. Don't worry, we're going to break it down and you'll understand it easily. Okay? So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha had 7.32 grams of cookies, she added 1.78 grams to the jar. How many grams of cookies did she have in total? Well, let's write this down into an addition problem. And remember to line up the decimal points. So we know this is an addition because she added some amounts to the original amount, right? So it's going to look like this. 7.32 plus 1.78. And make sure to line up the decimal. Okay, remember to line up the decimal points. Otherwise, the answer won't be correct, okay? Next thing to do is remember your place value. And your place value looks like this. And for decimals, this would be your hundredths, this would be the tenths, and then this is the ones place value. So add each place value starting with the lowest place value first. So you start with this one, you add it, and then you move to the next one, and so on, till you're done. Okay, so let's start with the hundredths. Add the hundredths. Add 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. You will need to carry the 1 to the tenths because 2 plus 8 is 10. So you put the 0 here and you put the 1 from the 10 over here. Now we can add the tenths. Add 1 plus 3 plus 7. 1 plus 3 plus 7. You will need to carry the 1 to the ones place value because 1 plus 3 plus 7 is 11. So you put your 1 down here and you carry the other 1 over here for 11. So now you add the ones together. But before you do that, remember to carry down the decimal. And if you don't carry down the decimal, your answer will not be correct. Okay, so now we can add the ones. Add 1 plus 7 plus 1. And that answer is 9. So Natasha had 9.10 grams of cookies in total. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. You could just rewatch the video. And also, I have resources in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. So you could click on those. And as well, you can download the ebook and follow along this lesson, this exact lesson in the ebook. So as you read the lesson, you can watch the video. And make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.